Welcome to SCON Design India Private Limited. Construction survey is a crucial step in the construction process that helps in identifying the best possible site for construction and ensuring that the building is structurally sound. SCON Design India Private Limited is a leading construction survey company that offers comprehensive services to clients across India. Their team of experienced professionals uses the latest technology and techniques to provide accurate and reliable surveying services, ensuring that clients get the best possible results. SCON Design India Private Limited's construction survey services include site analysis, topographic survey, boundary survey, and construction staking. They also offer pre-construction surveys that help in identifying potential issues and minimizing construction-related risks. With their expertise in the field, SCON Design India Private Limited ensures that the construction process is smooth and hassle-free, meeting all the necessary regulatory requirements. In conclusion, construction survey is an essential part of any construction project, and SCON Design India Private Limited is the go-to company for all your surveying needs. With their unmatched expertise and commitment to quality, they ensure that your construction project is a success from start to finish. Thanks for watching.